Today I want to show you how to install Comodo SSL for your e-commerce or your website. Mm, This video is all about the demonstration. I mean how to install and reissue. Only for theory, you may practically uh, take it. It will works. So let's start it. When SSL Comodo uh, SSL license we purchase or renew, uh, in this case we have purchased wildcard SSL certificate, and after the successful renew uh, reissue, you have to download the file in your laptop. So the download file like this. So this is the zip file, and if we extract, we might get this. So I will back to back on this. So now we need to upload this file, all about file, especially uh, this and this, because we purchase is a wildcard. So this is a wildcard certificate and this is the bundle. So if we open the bundle, this is the bundle, and if we open the star, this is the star certificate. So we need to concat this and this in a single file. So in this case we have tried using terminal. So this is the short note. If our instance is if our Ubuntu server from AWS EC2 instance, so we first need to create a key pairs, and we navigate the key pairs from AWS under the network and security key pairs. We create the key pairs and naming of your choice, and we'll download and navigate to the download terminal or copy the PEM file in your root directory. Perform these two command. This is a permission related, and of course it is your newly generated PAM file from AWS EC2 instance from security and networks navigations. After that, you may generate a SSH agent based on this PEM file, and when this command runs, it will output on your terminal some SSH code. You copy the code and you will paste the code under your EC2 instance SSH authorized keys. Okay, and save and exit, and now you can try to connect your EC2 instance by using SSH this command SSH-i your PAM file and your Ubuntu username and IP. So these steps will confirm you successfully connected to your EC2 instance from your local machine. using pam file. After that, the you may install the file Zilla. So this is the file Zilla, and you may go to the file menu and site manager. This is the site manager, and you just in the general tab you just enter your IP, and this is port number 22, and select the authorization type key file, and Ubuntu as a user name from your EC2 instance username, and on the key path browse the file location and connect. So I didn't navigate general because it's a private credentials, and this will successfully connected, and you will navigate to your remote section from your EC2 instance and upload those files in the specific location where you these files update. Then you need to perform these steps. So upload using file Zilla, copy the specific path, and this is the copy command, how to uh, copy the text plain text file star.txt into your specific SSL key pairs locations. And after that there is a command, and yes, as I told earlier, after that you concat your this and this into a single file, and whatever file is on your case. So after that save, and try to hit sudo nginx -t. So I think and after that you might successfully install the Comodo cells. So guys, this is the overall theoretical discussion. You need to repeat these steps and just listen my word and carefully listen and go the step by steps, and hope it will works for you. Thank you so much.